So here we got Corsa Extreme. We got the passenger side off of my buddy Shelby that was making some noise, which is a known issue. Corsa does offer lifetime warranty, so they went ahead and sent us a brand new pair, or a brand new muffler. Nothing wrong with it at all. Well, being that nothing wrong with them, nothing's wrong with Corsa, you know, they did take care of us, so there's that. And for the go ahead and for shits and giggles, we wanted to see what was actually causing the noise and to see the guts of it. So here they go. Here are the guts of a Corsa Extreme. What's up, buddy? We got axles, we got clips, we got gun bags. This is it. This is the replacement that Corsa sent out. They do have a lifetime warranty and all that. You got scared? I'm about to do the dog challenge on you for all their exhausts. So they sent out the new one. Looks great. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the old one to see actually what's inside the Corsa Extreme. All right, straight to it. What's inside a Corsa Extreme? We're gonna cut it open and see what makes it that much different. Can't really see inside of it right now, but we're gonna take a crack at it.
So is that enough?
No, I'm not making a payment. I'll make your payment, you make my payment.
Alright, that's a no-go.
Alright.
My payment's substantially less than yours.
Yeah. $100 a week, I'm sure, is a lot more than yours.
Yeah, so I guess hold it. So I guess what we're gonna do is, like you said, we're gonna do like an I or H or whatever the fuck you want to call it. We're gonna cut it like this, and then another cut here, and then one down the middle, and peel it open and see what it looks like on the inside. Right?
Probably black.
Hell yeah.
It's a watermelon test right there.
Alright.
She right.
The air.
Go.
Oh boy. It's going. That's it. It's hot. Probably use this. Oh. Don't want to grab it. Yeah. Split it open like a watermelon, dude. Oh, straight like that. Oh yeah, get that parkour! Get that parkour! That's different.
Yeah, I did not expect that.
It's not what I... So, it comes here and splits. Both of these tubes are essentially active. This one is straight, and it looks like this one helps out with sound deadening, as does this one. And there's no packing anywhere inside of it. That's why I get the hollow sound. So essentially, this would actually be louder than a straight pipe. That's why the Corsa Extremes are louder than just a straight pipe turd-ass Mustang. That's pretty cool. But this one, this tube, you can see inside of it has the perforated holes. Yeah, you can kind of get it better. And then you can do that. Boom! And then boom! That's actually pretty dope. Focus, you piece of shit. Come on. There it goes. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. It's pretty simple.
Take a picture for the thumbnail.
Yeah, definitely a lot less than what I was expecting. But it works. You got a car? Whoo! And there we go, better lighting. Where's the light at? There it is. In all the glory. So, what was actually causing the noise? For a second, I thought I was tripping, but I'm not tripping. So after you get the car go ahead and warmed up and hot, it did make a noise. These were in my trunk, didn't make any noise. And what we found right here was, come on, let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Right there. Come on, focus. There is a small, there it is, crack in the weld. Oh man, that is crazy zoomed in. There we go. So when it gets hot, over time it will expand, cause a little bit of a separation in the metal, and start to rattle. Not a major defect, nothing crazy. This is very typical. I mean, it happens to stuff all the time. But we got a brand new pair sent out to us, and I just wanted to see what was going on inside of here that makes these things so crazy. And what's good about these things is that, you know, at cruise, at 80, even with a set of Extremes, I got a set of Sports on my car, you know, they're very tame and very quiet. Like, they purr real nice. Oh man, look at that. Got different light settings. Oh, hold on. What do you got? There, down one. So, straight tube, down on that one. That just, and then this has a little segue over here to go ahead, and I guess this is like the drone tube, I guess you can call it, to helps alleviate drone. And here we have a slight perforated tube to help with sound deadening. I think with all this combined, it does equate for a much quieter ride at idle. And of course, when you're in it, you are all the way in it. So I'm curious to see what's in the Sports on a GT, because this is on a GT 350 and it comes in here, splits, and then you have each tube here. But on a GT, you have a single entry. I'm assuming that these two tubes here would come into one, and then, you know, you have your external quad tip. So it's kind of cool. So more videos to come, more cool stuff on the way. You know, subscribe, all that good stuff.